Did you know that the famous Taj Mahal that you see now once looked like this? But why is it turning yellow and dull? The answer to this question is acid rain. Let us find out more about this harmful phenomenon. At the end of this module, you will be able to state the meaning of acid rain, explain the causes of acid rain, and describe the harmful effects of acid rain. Rain brings us the water we need. Rainwater is very often contaminated with soluble gases present in air. Any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric acid and sulfuric acid is called acid rain. Apart from rain, precipitation can be in the form of snow, fog, or even tiny bits of dry material that settle down. Let's find out what causes acid rain. The main culprits of acid rain are the harmful invisible gases like oxides of sulfur given off by industries burning coal and oxides of nitrogen given off by vehicles. Interestingly, acid rain is not totally a man-made phenomenon. The sulfur fumes given off by a volcanic eruption causes acid rain. So does a lightning strike when it releases nitrogen oxides. The sulfur fumes of forest fires are another natural source of acid rain. These pollutants get carried away by wind and get mixed with water vapor. They dissolve in water to form acids. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in water to form sulfurous acid, and sulfur trioxide dissolves in water to form sulfuric acid. Nitrogen dioxide forms nitric acid. These acids precipitate or fall down in the form of rain, snow, or fog. The rainwater runs into streams and other water bodies. Acids are corrosive, and that is why acid rains are harmful to both living and non-living things. Take a look at the effect of acid rain on plants. The leaves are totally damaged, and the plants eventually die due to lack of photosynthesis. Acidity of water can prevent fish eggs from hatching properly and can cause deformity in young fish. Fish die in acidic water, and some species have even become extinct. Acid rain can lead to erosion and weathering of limestone, sandstone, or marble. They can even corrode steel and other metals. Some of the methods of preventing acid rain are turning off lights and fans when not in use, adopting alternate sources of energy such as solar or wind instead of fossil fuels, walking or using the bicycle instead of driving a car, using public transport such as buses, trains, etc. Thus, the impact of acid rain can be minimized by adopting environment-friendly approach in our day-to-day life.